Hello everyone, welcome back to Everyday Kelly. My name is Kelly. So today I'm doing an unboxing of an Avon order that I put through. All of the items that I have here are mostly for myself. There was some really great deals that I really couldn't pass up. So let's just get straight into it. So the first thing, which is something I did not order, it came free with my order, is the Avon On Duty 24-hour Antiperspirant. I'm excited to try it because I've never tried this. It's a roll-on. It is unscented, and so I'm really excited to try that one. And then I also got a really great deal on their At First Lash waterproof mascara. It's really highly rated, so I'm really excited to try this one. And then the one product that I was really waiting to order for a while is the Faraway Amalfi perfume. And I'm just gonna open it up here, if I can get it open. So it comes in a really beautiful blue bottle with this really nice pink tassel and a nice round cap. And the smell of this is just, it's very beachy and it's just very nice and fresh. So I'm really excited to wear that. And then there was this really great rep offer that I was able to get. It was called the Wow Bundle and it came with a bunch of different products. And it was a really great price, so I decided to take advantage of that as well. So the first thing that came in it is the Fruits and Passion Cucina hand lotion. So this one is verbena and yuzu. So I do have another bottle of this that I got a while back, and I did a video on this actually, a little bit of a review video. So I thought it was a really great opportunity to grab another bottle of this. And then it also came with the matching hand soap. So this one is also verbena and yuzu. So that one's gonna be really great to try out as well because the yuzu scent is very citrusy and lemony, and it's just a really great fresh scent. Then this bundle also came with the Physiogel Daily Moisture Therapy Dermal Cleanser. So let's just take it out and see the size of it. So this one is a 150 milliliter bottle, and it's for dry and sensitive skin. It's a hypoallergenic product. So I'm gonna try that one when I cleanse my face. And then the bundle also came with this Moisture Therapy body cream for extra dry and damaged skin. So I've tried some of the other moisture therapy products like the hand lotions and things like that, and they're really nice. So that one I'm sure will not be a problem. And then the last thing that was included in this Wow Bundle was the Moisture Therapy Balance and Soothe Body Wash. I always like a really nice body wash for in the shower. So that one was a short and sweet one today. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more videos that are similar to this, please don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you soon in another video.